You started it?
What? There's no light on. Fred, you open that up. I think it's your birthday.
What? What are we opening?
Is this on?
Yeah. Are we recording? Oh, sorry.
All right, I'm gonna watch this.
Hey, we got a transmission here. Then it's wrapped. New old stock. Never been unwrapped.
Looks like 45, but we're not gonna unwrap
It's
it.
even-
Oh!
No, I'm not gonna unwrap
Don't
it. I'm just
unwrap
showing
it.
you
It's the
corners
wrong one
already
yet.
done.
It's not natural finish like you wanted.
It's okay.
What's
I
in
like
here?
it.
Alan said he wanted a natural case and not an OD one, so we brought him in a natural one.
Look at that. Gearbox only. Boy, that's
Still got
pretty.
the Cosmoline and the smell
That's
of
pretty
Cosmoline
sweet.
on it.
I'm thinking the bearing race is still good because it's got pre-lube on it.
Oh man, look at that.
Oh, it's got.
And the ear's not even broken off. We
No,
haven't
it's
dropped
not.
it yet.
It's broken up here though.
No, it's not.
Oh, okay. And all new cases come with turning adjusters.
Wow.
We always take those out and sell them separate.
Wow.
Now these aren't the ones we were selling. These are on that. This is out of the save pile.
The save file.
Yeah.
Don't ever give this away.
That's pretty neat, Tatro.
Well, I had to keep a couple for myself.
Hence, never give it away.
Yeah.
We'll sell it.
These are all the save pile too because we had like 50 and we sold most in one go.
Wow, look at this.
Now don't get that all rusty by finger fucking it.
Hey.
It's got original lubricant on there called Cosmoline.
Two new F-bombs out.
Well, when
Must've been
eBay
that pizza
when
guy.
eBay pulls his rating,
Pulls my rating.
when YouTube pulls your rating,
No, I didn't bring in the clutch basket because you didn't say you wanted new stuff yet.
well, you're spoon feeding me here.
Oh, and don't forget the springs.
Yeah,
No, yeah, brand new chrome ones. Yeah, those are perfect for your military bike.
it's all right.
I didn't want to give up my black ones.
That's okay. I like them.
My rusty ones, I didn't want to give
I'll
up.
dust them off. Yeah, those are nice.
So I figured these look really nice if they were painted OD.
All right. Well, I haven't slept here for a week wondering about this transmission.
You haven't?
No,
Slept a week or
no,
slept here a
slept
week?
for a week,
You only slept 1 week so
and
far.
here he comes with all the good stuff.
All right.
Wow, Tatro.
What's in this one?
What else we gonna work on? I need no stinking knife.
Pretty cool stuff.
Yeah, but I need packaging so I know where I got it from.
I'm trying to save the package.
What did I just tell you, Fred? I need the package so I know who I got it from. It's not like I just got this thing and I know where it all comes from.
It's the Kate. It's Key Tatro from Dale
That's where it went to. It's not where it came from.
Walkster.
That's from Dale Washington. That's from Wheels Through Time.
See, I got a box full of stuff that FXR stuff at his house that's never gone the other direction.
Sorry, we lost
Never gone.
that.
How do I lose like hundreds of dollars worth of parts? Thousands maybe.
Yeah. Oh,
Hundreds of dollars
of
worth
that-
of parts.
of
Because
that-
he packaged them up and sent them on eBay.
Yeah, that there's
And
no
never
doubt.
sold them.
Nobody cares about FXR parts.
Everybody cares. Everybody
Those
wants
are
the freaking
worthless.
club bars.
Those are worthless.
Yeah, well, they're worth something.
Well, start
Take them all
building a
back and throw them in
45.
my damn garage and they would.
You mean you don't just donate your parts to Tatro Machines? I donate.
Oh, that's a
all,
49 Ford or 49 Fred part there.
I donate all my stuff back to the cause.
Because you don't.
Because Tatro's my friend.
See, there's a 49 Fred part. There's an original rear fender bracket.
He's mad because the guy that gave me all the FXR parts left town in a hurry and sold me everything for $200. And
Alan, there's your brand new
Yeah,
control
I know.
cable.
That's
Looks
not,
like the tag fell off.
It's
my
okay.
first drug deal, I got $900 worth of RC cars.
And here's a toolbox bracket is broken.
We could fix that.
It's missing a
That's
tab. The one on my bike's broken. I had to fix it. Well, paint it black.
nothing.
See, he doesn't think that.
I didn't have an original one for my
didn't
They
my
vibrate,
bike,
vibrate
so
too much.
especially my race
God
bike.
damn it, Tatro.
And I brought you in the spacer for reverse gear in case you need it.
All right.
What are you doing in there?
Stuff.
What's in there? Oh,
Where's Scooby? Oh, he don't like.
Scooby's not here.
Wow.
Basically bites into one of those that crossover on his other time.
Yeah, you snuck one in. Oh no, he's down to the last couple of bites.
So, is that the color you wanted?
Yeah, that's gonna look pretty nice in there. See, look at him. He likes building new old stock.
We don't like wasting crappy aftermarket parts when we got real parts to use.
Oh man, that's incredible. I'm leaving that tag on there.
How much can we get for the tag?
I don't care. You're leaving it right on there. We're going to build it and leave the tag on there.
You know how many cases of tags and labels and packages I have at home?
We'll leave that one right where it's at then.
I have lots of these tags.
Do you?
Probably want to say gearbox on them too.
Once you pulled them off and saved them over the years?
Yep. Yeah, we kept all our labels and stuff, packages, all kinds of crap. Even got some wood crates we kept. Some of them still have the parts in them though.
Yeah, I imagine they do.
So anyway, if you want to get real parts, we have those.
Wow. Nice.
And here's your brand new clutch hub if you want a new one. Oop. That goes right there.
You know you're gonna get a comment about your pizza eating, right?
It's right here. $5 a pizza, wasn't it?
$7 for a large.
$7 pizza.
A $7 pizza.
From under the bridge.
There's advantage of being. There's advantage of living in a bar. You get cheap food. Here's your rocker flex pedal spacer. That's for a big twin. These are Fred parts here.
So did Tatro tell you we're going to build? We got a 58 on the block and another 48 pan with front end.
I even got a 36 to 38
Tatro's
knucklehead
got
bearing.
a couple on the line. You and I are starting
Right,
our own
right.
motorcycle club. You and I and Tatro.
Tatro's Pro Shop Club.
No.
Oh,
Just a wannabe club.
the Fred wannabe.
I'm wearing wannabe black tonight.
The Fred wannabe club.
Yeah, he's got his wannabe black shirt. I got my black.
That's right. Oh, look at that. It's got a label on everything. All right, so we got to figure out what we're going to do here. We haven't decided how much parts we're going to use on this bike yet, but
Well, you're going to decide, and then you're going to build it just right.
I'm not sure if this piece
Where
is
did this
new
come
here,
from?
though.
What?
The bike you're talking. The two bikes you're talking.
I think this outer cover is used,
This
but this is new.
He'll tell you.
Is this going to cost the bank of Fred money or not?
I don't know.
Fred doesn't have enough money to build a
That's why I was
Harley.
asking you if you're working or not.
That's why it's
tonight.
taken us 5 years to build a panhead.
Yeah, why is that?
Fred's got no money.
Well, Fred's been in and out of the love nest, though.
That's right. He was.
I'm out of the love
You're
nest.
out of
That's
it?
why I got money to bill.
I have parts, so I'm happy.
Oh, man, that thing is nice. Put it up next to the junk one over there. You can
The
see
junk
what
one?
junk looks like next to good.
The junk one?
Yeah.
That one's over here.
Tell the difference.
There's a junk motor to go with them junk parts.
Yeah, they're doing a couple more days.
Oh, this guy right here. I gotta take the name off. Sent me sent Alan something. Hey Alan,
Yeah.
here's a comment guy. Sent you this. Some people like you. I don't know why some people like you, but they do.
See you. Care of H.O.
No shit, you actually
God, I'm a somebody.
somebody got something from somebody?
Alan.
Here's the OD green case. Now we have these new too, but he wanted the natural
Oh, man.
natural finish. What do you got over there?
Somebody
Wow. Oh, man. These guys are great. Wow, look at that. Wait, this is from Don Lipsky. What a guy. Kearney, Missouri. Wow.
There you go.
Hey, Don, that is nice.
What was
Thank
that?
you.
What'd you say?
That's pretty nice. I appreciate it. Wow, thank you. Thank you a lot.
My trust is overfilled.
Thank Tatro and you for the videos on your WLC. I didn't know if you had the operator's manual for the WLC, so I made you a copy of my original.
Did you have one?
I do not.
You do now.
I enjoy all of Tatra's videos, always learning something. Currently, I'm working on a newly purchased 1947 WL. Although it looks pretty, there was a lot wrong with it. So thanks again for the videos on the 45s. Hey, Mr. Don Lipsky, you're a man amongst men. Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you.
Fred don't care. He's got Google. He's got Google. He don't care.
Sends me anything.
Very nice.
No, my wife's in India doing some kumbaya
Oh, wow.
yoga.
Hey, we don't want to hear about your love nest life.
Tatro, look at it. See, that's how I want to build mine.
Just like that?
Yeah, no bags, nothing. See the crash bar? Look at the...
Except you get the better taillight.
Yeah, that's true. That's the WLC right there.
Yeah. That's the 42 version.
That's neat. Wow. Man.
I don't see a rear crash bar on that.
I know, but that's okay. That was as issued. They put that on third echelon shop.
Third down.
Yeah. Wow.
So we need a clutch arm for your
This is
kicker cover.
nice.
Now, if we use this kicker cover here, we have to have the wide clutch arm.
Hey, all I can say is to Mr. Don here, if you're watching this video, this is a new old stock transmission case. My
Right here?
transmission
Right here?
had problems, although it actually shifted surprisingly enough. Did you show them over the years, busted off,
Yep.
used up, stripped,
Now, I got this piece new, too.
hammered?
I got this gear new,
So,
but I don't have the shaft. I don't have this piece new that I'm getting rid of. I only got like 3 of them. So.
not only is Tatro great on the educational department, he's a resource for parts.
But I got you a new shift lever, not shift arm coming. God damn it, shift rod.
Well, what's wrong with this one?
No, shift rod.
The one that
Oh,
goes
the
from
rod,
here
the
up
rod,
lever.
rod. Okay,
One
thanks
go
for,
bang, bang, bang.
thanks for straightening that out. I was a little
So
mixed up.
somebody's reproducing the correct 40s version, not that stupid one they make with a hook on it. So I got one of those coming for you if you need it. But
Boy, this is...
anyway, Alan's thinking about doing a 4-speed military bike because he wants to go fast. He thinks he can beat me.
Yeah.
No, I can't.
No.
Fred knows better.
No, I don't think so. If that's your intention,
I,
you might as well.
I like
that
equipment.
one up.
Tatro likes equipment also, but
Hey, you're gonna
he uses it
Fingers
pretty
on the
hard.
don't put your fingers on the part that rusts. You can put it on the
Get
outside.
out of there.
He put his snotty ass
All right, well, I haven't paid for that yet.
flu infested. You're gonna get the flu now if you touch that.
Oh, man, this is
Your
nice.
finger.
You got grease on your
You
finger.
got like a freaking half-inch of damn. That's cosmoline. That's a freaking.
I know.
Until you actually get it all the way off.
I had to clean these parts up like this when they were all. This is nice ones. The natural finish ones only had partial dip in them. Those OD ones, when you get them, they're an inch thick in goo.
Just, yeah.
When you unwrap them things, oh, they are nasty. And that was my job to unpack that crap and clean it. You know how long it would take to clean one case and solve it? Jeez.
You weren't using the right solvent.
So what the trick is, you take a torch to it, you heat it up with a torch with the rosebud, soften it, melt off the heavy shit, and then when you dump it in the solvent, it shocks and gets underneath and it comes off a lot easier. That's how you get this cosmoline off easy.
Wow.
But when you get that hard cosmoline, it don't come off. You gotta scrape that crap off. I hate that stuff. Hard is the worst. This is kind of like just a fogging of dirty cosmoline on this. That's how these natural ones came. These are more like civilian cases. These are probably in the earlier production line. These are 41s and early 42 stuff. Later on, they had more cosmoline to use, so they didn't have any metal to make parts, but they had plenty of cosmoline.
Well, maybe they were thinking the war was going to last a lot longer
Yeah,
than it did.
it's still living right now. They were planning ahead about 5 wars. All right, so Fred's going to throw this together tonight for us, right?
Yeah, I'm all over it.
All over it.
Motivated.
So we got to see if Alan wants to spend some big bucks or just spend $half.
All right, well, the public's going to want to know, what are we talking about on a nicely Tatro machine rebuilt 45 transmission? How much could a guy have in a transmission put together properly?
I don't know. You can put $3-4 grand into one probably.
Okay, well,
If you want to put all,
I'm guessing
if you
I'm-
wanted NOS parts, you're gonna have a lot of
I'm
money.
guessing I'm going to have 2+ in this.
No,
You don't think so?
I don't know. Finding NOS parts even back in the '80s was pretty hard.
Okay.
But if we do the aftermarket 4-speed, it's cheaper because the parts are cheaper. That's only $1,000 for that.
Yeah,
gear set.
but they're tried. We don't know. Are they any good?
We just have to come up with a shift gauge.
Our friends across the pond say they're good, but
Well, I don't know.
do we know?
We gotta let our Netherlands friends find out if it's worth the crap or not over there.
Do you know anybody that's run a 4-speed?
I got that customer's motor I'm supposed to haven't finished yet. He's got one.
Oh, does he?
Yeah,
Hey!
he's gonna be pissed when he finds out I'm working on your bike and not his. So.
Well,
Well, keep on. Let's talk. What we say his name so he really knows.
Hey, I'll be getting a letter here next week from him.
Somebody else. Like,
Alan,
dude,
go to hell.
Go away, man. Go away, man. Why are these guys working on my?
Oh well, you gotta kick out the kids next door.
Oh, they're okay.
All
All
right,
right,
that's
pretty
enough.
nice.
We got enough wasted video for today.
Again, Mr. Lipsky, thank you. Thank you very much.
You didn't get your rest of your pizza over here though. Now I'm running out of boxes to open up here for you, so
Well, we got a good start here.
I only got a couple parts.
Let's
I brought
get
in.
the list going, the tab going.
All right, let's figure out what we're gonna do.
All right,
We'll
thank
be-
you.
We'll be back.